Nah, you guys get some ice cream.
Dalawa kuya.
Once you get the ice cream, yeah, in this little cart, and they're getting let me take a look, baby.
Okay.
Oh yeah, got 3 little buckets in there. Scooping it out, scooping it up, scooping it up. Oh, got three flavors. What's the flavors?
Cheese, cookies, strawberry.
What's that?
Strawberry,
Cheese,
cheese, then cookies. Strawberry, cheese, cookies.
Strawberry, cheese, and cookies.
Yeah.
All right, it looks delicious, folks. And again, this is Rudy's ice cream right here. Here on Baloy Beach, Subic Bay, folks, you can see a little party going on. This gentleman here selling stuff on the bicycle. But these ladies, these are 30 pesos each. 30 pesos is about, what is that, 60 cents? But it's got 3 flavors. You got cookies and cream, cheese, and strawberry.
The problem for you don't want to eat don't want cold.
Why he don't want to eat?
Ito na sa'yo hot yung inani.
Why he don't want to eat the cold?
Nagtuwag lang.
He don't want to eat. He was eating sand.
We like sand than ice cream.
You like to eat sand more than ice cream? Haha.
Look, you don't want to eat cold. Maybe his teeth.
Yeah, maybe his teeth coming in too sensitive. He sure don't want that ice cream.
Me? I'm still waiting the ice cream in there.
You waiting on the ice cream in the ref?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. But we gotta do our big announcement. Got a big announcement coming, folks. Got a big announcement. Got a naval ship out there. I can't zoom in too far. I'm on the iPhone. Just chilling over here right next to he and Jean.
Maybe nga. Bago lang yun,
To take off. And they're screaming before they even got out of there, so they finna scare the shit out of that crew. They're probably like our crew on the Red Dragon, can't nobody swim.
mahaba yung out. Ganun, no? Damn!
Some rays coming down over that mountain right there. Beautiful. All right, now that boy's eating ice cream.
Tira-tira na lang.
Oh no, Force, you got 2, buddy. You got 2, man. Good job.
Pagkitos.
Baby, you just look beautiful. I'm just trying to capture your essence on film. I'm trying to capture your beauty on the video.
May sun. The sun.
Hey folks, you just stopped in here so I can get me a Stella Artois. You know, if you're drinking San Mig Light, SMB, you can get that anywhere on the beach. But if you want something different, you know, different bars have different stock. But here at Johan's, they got a wide selection of beers. That's why me and my buddy Kevin usually come here. You know, he drinks SMB all the time, but I like to vary the flavors. So I'm going with a Stella Artois. But they got everything from Singhai, you know, Thai beer, Chung. Usually they've got Paulaner or, you know, a couple of Bavarian beers. So if you're a beer connoisseur like me, come down to Johan's, check out their selection. They got a wide selection. And plus, we just like sitting out here on the beach. Just sitting out here on the sand and watching that sunset over there. And there's probably I don't think there's as much people here as there was last week. And just through the rumor mill, I guess some of the officials come out here and said it looked like there was too many people on the beach. So they delayed the curfew extension. Like the curfew is supposed to go to midnight. The rumor is they delayed it because there were so many people here. I don't know if that's true or not, but I was just talking to the vendor, and the vendor said like half of the vendors can't come to work today because they're social distancing. Folks, these governments around the world, they will just never let it go. Shout out to that barbecue owner up in Canada. I can't remember if you're in Toronto or wherever you're at, man. Up in Canada, that dude trying to run that little small barbecue store, and the police keep arresting him and dragging his ass out there. I love that guy. Shout out to you, man. Hate like hell you're going through that whole shit. You know, meanwhile, next door there's a fucking Costco where there's 300-400 people in there shopping. But you can't open your little barbecue shop with, you know, 3 or 4 customers at a time and make a fucking barbecue sandwich. Shout out to you, man. I think they're labeling it the barbecue rebellion or what have you. I don't know the whole story. I just saw a quick clip. But yeah, folks, just enjoying the sunset here on a Saturday. I don't think no barbecue tonight. I'm probably gonna get in the kitchen and make some coconut soup. That's what I got a hankering for. Just low-key night up in the kitchen. Thanks for joining me on today's beach lifestyle video. Bottom right-hand corner of your screen, hit that Overstay Road sign. Get on board my train, food, beer, visas, barbecue, bad behavior, beautiful women, because beautiful ladies walking down the street. Who's that lady? Yeah, and I'd love to have you as a subscriber on my channel. Say thank you to all 28,100 plus of all you fine folks out there that took the time to hit that subscribe button and watch our videos and listen to my voice. I certainly appreciate it. My goodness, my goodness, my goodness, my ladies. Oh my goodness. Yeah, 4 beautiful Filipinos walking it out with a bottle of wine. Kuya on the bicycle trailing them. Take that fire. You got one more. Shout out to them beautiful ladies. And it looks like they got the Kuya dragging a cooler. Yeah, poor dude. Run, man, them Filipinos way ahead of you. Situations where, okay, this is Subic Bay Johnny videoing me, and I'm videoing him. Yeah. So he was walking by and recognized little Forrest G down there, and came walking up. He's been over in Angeles for a while, but now he's back. And the assessment is Barrio Barreto is better than Angeles, right?
Oh.
No contest.
It's great here compared to there.
Well, there you go, folks. Don't take my word for it, but that's pretty much the general consensus is Barrio Barreto, much better lifestyle right now than Angeles City. And I hate to say that about Angeles because, you know, we love Angeles, but it's just down for the count right now. Barrio Barreto is where you got to be.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, take a look at that sunset right there, man. That's beautiful. All right, now you can cut to Johnny's video for like an hour of this conversation, but we just realized that he's wearing a face mask and a face shield on the beach.
Yeah. I'm the only one on the beach.
On a Saturday night.
On a Saturday night.
And I'm not drinking.
And he's not drinking.
Oh, man.
And
So-
the 3 of us were drinking.
Yeah, the 3 of us are drinking. We're drinking,
like this.
we're drinking, having a good time, and he got a face mask and a face shield.
Well, I figure I ought to get 100,000 views out of this.
And you're wearing a face shield and a face mask.
You know
Oh
what
my
he needs?
God.
You need some mistletoe. You need some
Yeah.
mistletoe on that thing so we can all give you a kiss, right?
Yeah, just hang some mistletoe, but I'm just trying to figure out why this dog got a face shield. We're on the beach. He got a face mask and a face shield. Hey man, this ain't Divvy Mart, bro.
I'm telling you.
We're not in Divvy Mart. Folks, listen. Check out Johnny's channel. It's Subic Bay Johnny.
Yeah.
Is it 1 word or 3 words?
3 words.
So 3 words, Subic Bay Johnny, 3
Subic Bay
words.
Johnny.
Check out his channel if you want to hear the entire conversation here between us 3 folks that have been drinking. Just check out his channel, Subic Bay Johnny, and I'll put a link down to the description, and you can check out this conversation because it's too damn funny. My goodness. But the other thing that's funny as fuck, Johnny.
I got a shield.
Johnny, you're wearing a face mask and a face shield on the beach, bro.
I got it all.
I got my crew coming
Oh,
in
and
here.
comes
There's the boss number 1
boss
and
number
boss
1.
number 2.
We got wife
Boss
number
number
1,
two.
number 2.
Forrest G.
Boys G rolling strong.
You just missed a
Oh,
great
the one I gave you,
conversation,
huh?
ladies.
Hey, Forrest.
Folks, my God.
Horse.
Telling stories and listening to stories, it don't get any better, you know. It don't get any better.
Turned out to be a fantastic Saturday night.
Oh, it's a wonderful Saturday night. And I was just, that's how it happens.
Everybody's so mellow.
Everybody's so mellow. Listen, that's how it happens, though. If you haven't read my book called The King's Chronicles, there's something in there I call the 1% rule. If I had stayed at home, I wouldn't have ran into Subic Bay Johnny, okay? We wouldn't have had this like hour-long funny-ass conversation. I mean, I wouldn't have got to hang out with my friends here before he goes to Alaska, the sunset, ask this gentleman why he's wearing a mask and a face shield on the beach.
Oh,
Hey, you
never
gotta
ask
be
me
careful.
about it. Never
So,
ask me.
if you sit at home, you know what's gonna happen? Nothing.
Nothing.
If you step outside that door, the 1% rule kicks
Take a
in.
chance.
Take a chance.
Enjoy
Something's
life.
gonna go down, my friends. Yeah, so I'll put the link is down in the description to Subic Bay Johnny's video, and it's a funny ass video, promise you. Oh my
This is
God.
gonna be hilarious.
Yeah.